Sanbonani. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a beautiful weekend. Sasephezulu kwayo ke na indaba ethando nesithembu uyesi lana bana all the 5 wives they were at the event. They were producers. Even Utatum Seleko was also there. So everyone is like, okay, are they cooking season 9? Wothando nesithembu, because we saw uMakhumalo, we saw uMacele, bekunoMayeni, kunoMangwabe, even 5th wife Nkosi yami umama Cocomelon was there. Umaga Cocomelon was there, and everyone was like, oh, okay, what is happening? Because they would see Eli Vuga Samke, and people are asking, are you guys shooting your season 9 go Thando Nesithembu? And obviously they're not gonna tell us all of that information because it is still under wraps. So abantu, they're like, oh yay, we're so excited, we want to see Bana, what does season 9 bring us now with the 5th wife, there's a baby, so it is going to be interesting. We saw even Utatum Seleko was also there. So it is going to be very interesting seeing season 5 manje, because season 8 ended up go hot pen. There were a lot of things that were said season 8. When season 8 was ending, everyone seemed like they were done with the marriage. They didn't want to be part of the wives anymore. Umangwabe had said ukubana hayi yena she's done. Umayeni naye was like, hey wena Umayeni nje wavese wavuka ubhova naye, like the end nje was like on the edge, and everyone was like, hayi makungena abanye mina ngiyaphuma niyosala niyibona ke. Siyambona ke umaka Cocomelon naye ubekhona Nkosi yami emuhle. They were all busy doing their makeup, and then at the end we saw the 4 wives, they went to an event. So we don't know ukuthi umaka Cocomelon had to go home because of uCocomelon yena. So everyone is like, okay, why do we feel like Usamke is being sidelined? Ukbana, she wasn't at the event, but she was there when they were all doing their makeups, because we could see behind her pictures there was Umayeni and Samseleko behind Eli Vuga Samke. So everyone is like, oh, okay, are you guys shooting for season 9? That is, everyone is asking. Is season 9 coming soon? Let me know, guys, what do you guys think season 9 uyabusiphathele. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.